Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2025 Jeep Compass that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the features and options that this Compass has to offer. Now this Compass does offer great 4x4 capabilities and does have a great blend of entry-level features. You do have, of course, your backup camera equipped there, spacious cargo area in the back, as you can see there. Plenty of room to store your gear bags out of the way while on the go. Just check out some of the features inside here. So you can get up to 3 passengers in that back seat. You can see decent amount of room back there to sit quite comfortably. Seats themselves are a cloth seat. Again, offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. Up front, you do have your touchscreen display, as you can see right there, so access to all of your audio media controls, Bluetooth capabilities in through there. Climate controls also accessible in through your touchscreen. You do have heated front seats, Bluetooth capabilities, access to all of your apps and settings in through the touchscreen as well. Just below that, again, all of your basic audio media controls, climate control options, USB port hookups just below that. A little bit of storage space in throughout that center console area. Key fob for the unit right here. Push button start just tucked in behind there. Steering wheel mount control, so you do have your cruise control options, your Bluetooth capabilities, your audio media controls are built in behind the steering wheel. All of your power windows, locks, side mirrors. So that's just a quick look at this 2025 Jeep Compass. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.